Okay, so here's our first example. So draw the graph of the function x squared minus 2x minus 3 in the domain minus 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 4. Now a little side note. Okay, wherever you have a little bit of room, if you have a plus x squared, so if your quadratic is a plus x squared, that's going to be U-shaped. If you have a minus x squared, it's going to be N-shaped. That'll just help you when you're plotting. Okay, this is what it should look like. If it doesn't look like that, I've made a mistake. So have a look at my function. What shape is my function going to be? U-shaped, isn't it? Because the x squared part is a plus. So that's going to be U-shaped. Not V, it's not pointy, it's U. Okay? So it's nice curved. So we need to do this exactly like we did linear graphs a couple of days ago. So we need to draw out our table. Okay, so you remember our table goes x, then it goes our function, which we don't need to fill out. We can leave that blank. Then y, and then couples. Okay, x, our function, y, and couples. And we're going to leave this bit blank because I don't want to have to do out all that work, especially if I'm using my calculator. So what are my x's going from? From minus 2 up to 4. Everyone okay with that? X's are from minus 2 to 4. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our calculators are all out. We need to get my table. So to get table, remember you're doing mode 3. There's f of x equals. So I need to type this in. Can you remember how to get x again? Alpha and the bracket. So alpha and the bracket, x squared minus 2x, so alpha and bracket again, minus 3. Okay, x squared minus 2x minus 3. So mode 3, and then you fill in your function. Everyone okay with that? Okay, equals, where am I starting? Minus 2, equals, where am I ending? 4, and what am I going up in? Ones, my step is 1. Okay, so then we're just going to read it. So minus 2, 5, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 3, and I'm going to go down. 1, minus 4, 2, minus 3, 3, 0, and 4, 5. Okay? and then just make your couples. Calculator gives me the y's. So when I go back up here to minus 2, my y there is 5. Did your calculator give you back out that? Yeah, so then you just keep scrolling down the table to get all your y's. Did you all get that in your calculators? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, so will you press AC for me? And can you double check that you have x squared minus 2x minus 3? Look here, it's like this button down here. X squared minus 2x minus 3.
Oh, no, okay.
Perfect. Okay, so then you can just go and change it. Okay, right, so now we need to graph it. So let's have a look. We know our x's. The smallest goes from minus 2 and the biggest is 4, so minus 2 to 4. Let's look at the y's. The smallest y is minus 4 and the biggest y is 5. So I could go from minus 5 up to 5 if I wanted. Okay? So you're going to get your ruler. I'm using okay, so I'm just using 2 boxes there for my x's. I'm going to use the same for my y's. Okay, so I just took 2 boxes for each one, starting at minus 2, going over to 4. And then all you're going to do is you're going to start plotting. Can I stop you drawing for 2 seconds and will you just watch me plot, and then you can do it all in a minute, okay? So minus 2, 5, over to minus 2, up to 5, yeah? Okay, minus 1, 0, over to minus 1, up 0. 0, down to minus 3. 1, minus 4. 2, minus 3. 3, 0, and 4, 5. Okay? Now, when I am drawing my curve, it does need to be a curve, okay? Not straight lines between each point. That's not what you're doing here. So, you're just always kind of looking at the next point to see, and I'm doing a curve down there. Okay? Is that alright? Okay, go for it, So Yi.